Standing by is Tebogo, Master number 40, all the way from Muchudi.
Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try, and no hell below us. Above us only sky. Oh, imagine all the people living for today. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. Oh, hope someday you will join us, and the world will be as one. Imagine there are no countries. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for, and no religion too. Oh, imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. No.
You really are a stunner, I must say. Artistically, I feel that you have found your voice. Lisugirinyana. And I also think that you are a natural.
Your voice is so soothing. You make singing look so easy.
The good thing about you is that you making the song your own. I've listened to this song so many times, done by different artists.